Hello, I'm Mr. Johnson, the department chairperson of CTE, which stands for Career and Technical Education. Mrs. Whisker talked about family and consumer science, which is mostly for freshmen going to be foods and clothing. So they can take foods 1 and 2 and clothing 1 and 2 and do a lot of things with making and eating some good food and doing the same for some clothing. Have some fun with that. I am teaching mostly business and career classes and computer classes. So one of the main classes is keyboarding, where they're going to come in and learn how to type properly. They will get much better and faster to help them with doing all their assignments in high school. But we will focus on getting better at typing and then doing some Microsoft Word and Google Docs to help them with learning how to type and format. Another class, which is similar, but it's called Computer Applications. In that class, they're going to be able to do a lot of different software. They can come in and do some coding. They can learn all the different types of Google Docs and Google Sheets, Google Slides, and do the same thing for either Microsoft Office with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So we want them to learn about a lot of different kind of software and get better at doing things. Sometimes they can work a little bit with Photoshop as well, and with even Twitter, how to learn to use software and how to create it. Introduction to business is another one where students might be interested in a business, how to start a business, how to run a business. Maybe they want to major in business later. But it's the whole thing about how economics works, how our economy runs, and just how to be somebody who moves up the ranks to become someone who leads in a business or starts their own business. And then we have designing web pages. With designing web pages, a student there really wants to look at applications and software. They really want to know how computer programs run. They're going to learn how to code. They're going to learn how to do some photo editing and video editing. They're going to be able to look up stuff on how to do apps for phones. So they're really going to learn how things run, how things work. And by the time they're out of class, they're going to know more than most people do because we get to use the stuff. They will learn how to create some of that stuff. So thank you very much for looking at the classes we can offer freshmen in CTE. Have a good one. Thank you very much.